Inductive automation was founded on the need to solve pain points within the integration industry. Our founder and CEO was a control systems integrator who saw the need for something new and developed a toolkit and support system to enable integrators to win projects, meet the challenges presented by their customers, and ensure successful deployments across the globe. One of the many ways we empower integrators is through our Integrator program. This program is designed to provide opportunities for integrators to develop their skills in Ignition, be recognized for their accomplishments, and grow with us as a company. Within the program, members can attain several levels of achievement: registered, credentialed, certified, gold, and finally Premier. As you move through the different levels of the program, you will gain access to Ignition certifications, software discounts, digital resources from our sales engineers, marketing materials, and increased presence on our website, co-marketing opportunities, and much more. Integrator program members are also eligible to be listed on our Global Integrator Search. This searchable index provides end users worldwide with the ability to find an integrator that best fits their needs across a variety of industries. This is where you as an integrator can truly shine, as your company profile will display your location and industry vertical specializations, along with the program level and credentials you've earned. End users will feel confident knowing that their integrator is an expert with the most versatile software on the market. If you're a systems integrator eager to expand your knowledge, your business, and want to provide your customers with the best solutions available, join the Integrator program today and let Inductive Automation help you achieve your goals.